What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we got a SUV Nissan Rogue. We're gonna be doing some paint work up on the roof and the tailgate. We got some clear peeling off. We're gonna sand all that down. This is the one we did. I did paint the bumper on. If you go on my Instagram, I got pictures on there on painting the bumper. I am gonna get some video of this today to bring out a video. Sorry I haven't been posting. Super busy with this truck that I've been painting. I'm doing a full paint job on this truck. Haven't been able to get any content on that truck, but I'll record a little bit here and there. We do got some motorcycle parts we got in for body work and paint, so we just been super busy. Like I said, sorry I haven't been posting. I wanted to get a video of this. Here is the clear damage. We're going to be sanding down, taking all this all the parts off. We'll sand this down, feather this out, and then sand down the whole tailgate along with the roof. The roof is a little bit worse. We're going to take this cover off and then sand it all down, repaint it, re-clear it. Like I said, I did paint the bumper on this. Check it out. Looks good. Color match is on. That hood does need a buff just to bring out the shine again. But this is what we're working on today. Like I said, I've been working on this truck. Bed is done, painted. It needs to be bed lined with some rhino line. And I did the front end on this one, painted it also a while back, so we're just matching everything to it. Alright, I'm gonna start on this one. These are the motorcycle parts. We're gonna be sanding everything down. It's gonna go teal metallic with a heavy flake. So, and I'll get some video of this too also on the side once we start it. Alright, guys. There she is, guys. Putting it all back together. Now we're going to take it out in the sun and let it bake along with the roof. I took the plastics off already. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. Put it out in the sun, let it bake, and then we're gonna keep working on the motorcycle part. We are working on this gas tank. We're gonna be taking off the emblems, and then we're gonna sand it down, get everything all prepped and ready for paint. I just got the paint in, and we're gonna go ahead and seal it up. We do have the front fairing and the back one cover already sealed up, so we're just gotta get this done, and then we'll be ready to shoot all one color. All right, guys, we got the under the tank. It has some surface rust. We got that with some edge primer. Coated down with some edge primer. Gave it 2 coats, and we did have some bare metal spots, so we got all that covered up. And then we are going to spray an undercoating under this. I do have it all covered up. We're going to let this edge primer dry, and We're gonna go ahead and hit it with some undercoating, bed liner spray, just to cover it up and seal it up. That way we don't get no rust. Alright guys, we got the tank all in etch primer. We do have some small little scratch here and another one over here. So we're gonna wet sand it, and then we're gonna hit it with sealer. And it should be ready for paint. Alright guys, we got the fenders all painted up. We did 3 coats of this heavy teal metallic. That's what it's called. It's looking good. It's time for some clear. We did have some reaction on the tank when I shot the paint. I don't know if it was the sealer, but we did have some reaction there, so we had to scuff it and reshoot some primer on it. Check it out. Just let it dry. Looks real good now. And then I did find a small little scratch that I wanted to get out right here, so we'll let that. This one's still fresh. We'll wet sand all that down. Wet sand this down. We'll put some guy coat over it. Make sure we got all the scratches, and then I'll go ahead and throw another two to three more coats on this, and then we'll go ahead and clear everything in. Alright guys, here's the final result on those motorcycle parts.